I created ReefTekLab and the Precision Reef Journal for one reason and one reason only. It was because I went through this struggle myself, and because there were nights that I was staring at my tank, frustrated, feeling like I was trying everything but still losing corals. And I realized, like I said, the problem wasn't the tank. The problem was a lack of a real system to understand it. So I built the Precision Reef Journal, which is a very thorough system. And it encompasses a 52-week tracking system designed for very serious reefers and reefers who simply just want to stop wasting money, wasting time, who want more clarity and control, and above and beyond, who want consistency, which is the key to maintaining a tank and making sure that your corals don't die. Now, guys, I want to make sure you understand that this isn't just a notebook. It's a blueprint for stability. It's a diagnostic tool. Something that really typically doesn't exist out in the market, or there's not good premium systems out there. This is a reef management system that reveals patterns to you before they even happen. But you have to have a documented way of doing things. You have to have a system. You can't be leaving little notes and in your head what your parameters were last week. Because then you have no idea. So inside you'll be tracking your alkalinity, your calcium, your magnesium, your nutrients, your temperature, your salinity with the same professional layout that's used by advanced reef labs. You'll monitor your coral growth, your color shifts, your polyp extension, and all your stress markers in one place. And you'll be able to uncover trends. You'll be able to predict problems and finally understand what your reef is trying to tell you. And it doesn't matter whether you're fighting algae, chasing stability, or growing your dream coral collection. This is the roadmap that you definitely need. But here's the truth that most reefers don't realize. Small parameters changes today are tomorrow's coral failures or coral successes. Tracking isn't optional anymore, guys. It's the foundation of a thriving reef. So, to make this journal accessible to everyone, I created 3 options. The digital PDF edition, the spiral precision print edition, which is the 52-week journal, designed for reefers who want something physical, rugged, and beautiful, and the digital and spiral bundle, which gives you savings, and it's one of our most popular options, complete with a lifetime digital updates. No subscription, no gimmicks, just a track-proven reef tracking system that's built to last. If you're ready to stop guessing and ready to take control of your reef and ready to understand your tank with scientific accuracy, then please pick up your version below. Start your first week today, because every great reef tank has one thing in common, which is consistency. And consistency starts today. This is what you guys are all going to receive. This is Luke, Director of Operations, and we are going to open the very first journal that comes from our printing partner.
Who's you guys?
And
I don't look like this in the video.
So we are here, and it's very well boxed in a nice cardboard. So you want to make sure it doesn't get wet, and basically it comes very well packaged. Okay, so you're gonna get it just like this. I'm gonna pull it out. And it's very well packaged. Wow, that's a beautiful. You guys are watching this live. Oh my God, that is absolutely gorgeous. This is what you guys are getting, guys. This is months and months of work. This is nothing like this exists in the market, guys. And it's a beautiful front cover.
Okay.
Oh my God, this is amazing. This is the first sheet. Why we did this, why we started this business, and why we created the Precision Reef Journal, the evolution and biological, why we built it. It shows your sort of glossary, right? Your weekly inspection logs, which are all here. Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3.
Right, the idea of spiral is so you can...
Spiral, right? So you can also take pictures of it and then scan it in through with OCR to our Nautilus agent. This has about 56. I gave you guys more than a year, like about like I think a year and 2 extra weeks or something like that. But it's absolutely beautiful quality. Nothing like this exists in the market. So you basically document once a week all your parameters in here, and you are disciplined. And this is a system. This is not just a logbook. This is a system. So it's very beautiful. Now in the back, and this is very heavy paper. Look at the quality of the paper. This is 60 stock paper. So guys, this is very, very good quality. This is professional. This is worth every dime that you guys are paying for. Printing is very expensive in color, guys. So you're getting, I tried to give you the best value I possibly can for a very, very reasonable price. Now in the back, towards the back, you have your disease mortality logs, and then you have a few of them, so that way you can document if anything dies. And then you have your section 2, which is intermediate advanced trace elements.
Hopefully nothing more dies than...
No, exactly. If you're doing your job, and following what we teach you guys, there should be nothing in here with mortalities. No fish deaths, no coral deaths, because you're following our system with ReefTekLab, and you are doing this correctly, okay? But here's your intermediate trace element reference chart. Everything is there so that you guys can see what you need to do and what to reference. You got your system biosecurity, your preventive measures in 7 days, quarantine observation. A lot of you guys don't quarantine, right? Your preventative measures. Very technical document. All your diseases of your common corals are right here, right? All of them are all the basic ones that you get. All your marine list in detail of ammonia poisoning, bacterial fin rot, blackleg, every brucanella, cloudy eye, dropsy, flukes, gill, hole in the head, ick, which are very difficult to get rid of. I mean, everything you can think about that happens pretty much in a tank, a common tank. You put your notes in here. Reef strategy notes. Everything came out perfect the way I designed it. I mean, this took months and hundreds of hours to actually make it work and make it look perfect, so that nothing gets cut when it's in production and in printing. And here at the back page, if you buy the journal, the first thing you want to do is scan this one. The first 500 people are going to save hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, because you're going to be free for life in our Elite School community. And you want to scan it. Shows a picture of me and Luke, my partner and the founder, and the Nautilus Reef Brain, and all our social media, which is YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Shows the legal compliance and our liability disclaimers. And it's a beautiful, beautiful oh my God, look at how beautiful. Oh my God, that came out amazing, guys. I worked so hard to give you such a professional. Nothing like this exists, guys. I hope you really see, hold it, Luke. Hope you see the quality in this product, and then flip it. Like, look at how thick that is. It's like about an inch thick, maybe, right? It's under 2 pounds. It's a lot of paper, 60-pound stock. Very light, even though it's got a lot going on. So this is the cream of the crop. We
know this is around water, so made the cover a little bit extra durable. We
made it extra durable so that it'll last you a year, and then you buy another one the next year, guys. So we really hope you guys enjoy this and like it. You were part of this experience. We thank you for being part of this experience and watching this video, watching to see how we opened up the very first one that came from one of our printing partners. This is going to actually ship globally, all the way. Look at all the revisions we did, and a bunch of more revisions that I don't even have here, tests and a bunch of things that we did. But this is going to ship all over the world, globally, to India, to Spain, France, Germany, United Kingdom, Indonesia, Malaysia, United States, Germany, Australia. This is going to ship everywhere globally. So this is a big deal. There's a lot of work that goes behind the scenes to provide you guys with such a great product, something that doesn't exist. I mean, this has emergency triage, and just tons of value, guys. Tons of value. I hope you guys really enjoy it and really stay with us and be part of our journey, because we're very excited to share this with you.
Just the beginning.